Okay, this is drawing step 11, drawing 6, drawing the basic shape for your sculpture. This video will show you how to make a tube. I am assuming that the top and the bottom so that the tube is standing straight up. You can do this exact same thing, tilting it on its side. First thing that you need to do is you need to make an X in the top going from one corner to the other and from going to one corner to the other. Once you have done this, this gets you the visual center of your box. You will line up the visual center with Sue, and you will make a little mark on either side of your box. Then you will line it up with Fred, and you will make a little mark on either side of your box. You are then going to make an ellipse. To make an ellipse, an artist can make a perfect arch like this. So the trick is we twist our paper. You are going to arch from the center of each of these marks from one to the other. So you're going to arch, 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 and arch. And when you are done, you are going to have something that looks like this. It does not look like an ellipse or a circle that's tilted on its side. So rather than erase everything, you are instead going to use your mistake to help you find the correct answer. You will angle your paper and you will look one section at a time. So this looks too flat. It's important that I get this. An ellipse tilted almost all the way on its side is actually going to be really curved in here. So I've got to pull that all the way out. Then I'm going to look at this part here. And although this is extended, it seems to go flat across. So I'm going to extend it out, see if I can make it a little bigger. Tilt it. Although this is pulled out quite a bit, I think I can still make a pretty good form by pulling it out just a little bit further, a nice tight arch. And then this one here is definitely too flat. I'm going to extend it out. This might take you a couple of passes. Once you are done, you are going to take your ruler, keeping it vertical, you're going to pull it across. As soon as you hit your ellipse, you're going to pull straight down all the way to the bottom of your paper. Then you're going to come over to the other side and you are going to pull straight down. Then we are going to do what we call a fudged ellipse on the other side, and this is how you'll make sure that they match up. So we are instead going to still find our visual center, and this is where students often realize they forgot a line. So right here, I'm missing the bottom part, so I need to make sure that's connected to Fred. And anytime you're like, oh, I can't do it, it's probably because you're missing a line. So now I have a bottom to my box, so I need to make an X from corner to corner, and from corner to corner. I still line up my X with Fred and make a mark here and a mark here, and then I still line up with Sue and make a mark here and a mark here. But I am only going to do the part of the ellipse that is going to connect off of this line and off of this line. And where it's going to connect is where these dropped down verticals hit the X going across, which is right here and right here. And then what I have to do is I have to pretend I'm making an arch, but then I'm only going to make it on this side. So I kind of have to pretend it out. And then I twist my paper and I arch. And this one is going to be a lot more rounded than what I did at this side. And then again here, I'm going to pretend I'm making the full arch, but I'm going to stop when I connect to my circle. If I erase all of this inside, you will now see I have what is a perfect tube. And a perfect tube actually will have one side with a tight curve and one side with an extended curve.